Northeast Frontier Railway has come up with a Vistadome train service between Guwahati-New Haflong section with stoppages at Mandedisa and Maibong stations, thereby providing a way for a 360-degree view of exploring awesome Assam in the NC Hills located in Dima Hasao region with all its picturesque beauty, that too on the move. The train will have 4 other AC chair car coaches other than the Vistadome coach and 2 power-cum luggage coaches as well. The Vistadome coach will be equipped with state-of-the-art glass windows and all-glass roof, providing panoramic view of the open sky, mountains, tunnels, bridges, hills and lush green forests to the tourists. The rotational seats of the coach are designed to provide added comfort to passengers. The special features of the Vistadome are Wi-Fi based passenger information system, passenger entertainment system with digital display screen, automatic sliding doors, wider entrance doors, CCTV surveillance, public address system cum passenger information system based on GPS, fire alarm system, LED destination board, FRP modular toilet with pressurized flushing system. The modern features of this coach are meant to give added comfort and aesthetic feel to the tourists. There shall be on board catering service of top quality on payment basis. The rail route is completely surrounded by hills and dense forests inhabited by ethnic tribes and rich biodiversity. There are many places of tourist attractions en route, which includes Jatinga Valley, which is a place of migratory birds, and Maibang, which was the capital of the ancient Dimasa kingdom. Lots of other tourist spots nearby Haflong can be part of one's itinerary, such as Dayang River View, Haflong Lake, Haflong Church, Haflong Town Viewpoint, etc. The service initially will be on bi-weekly basis, operating on Saturdays and Wednesdays. The train will start from Guwahati at 6:35 am and reach New Haflong at 12:05 pm. The journey back from New Haflong will commence at 5 pm and end at Guwahati at 11:45 pm. The fare for the journey by the Vistadome coach from Guwahati to New Haflong will be approximately Rs 1,130 one way. Fare for the AC chair car will be Rs 470 excluding GST. Advance booking can be done through PRS ticket windows available at railway stations. Online booking will also be available at IRCTC web portal www.irctc.co.in. The service is another new dimension by Indian Railways, who have the glorious tradition of taking care of passenger amenities and priorities. Vistadome train service will definitely go a long way in giving a shot in the arm for the huge tourism potential of Assam and Northeast as a whole.